Okay, I'm Angela.
I'm Nick.
Yes, today we're going to do faster hair regrowth for female middle stage or to advanced stage webinar. We're going to show you more case for female who in this stage and see what we can change, what we can help, what kind of result could be achieved. Still gonna be taking. Right. Okay, so in the nose scalp, we show you how it's the hair gradually getting thinner, which is normally sitting on top of scalp and the receding hairline. For female pattern, which there's no permanent cure, but we can make people the hair getting more thicker, and then we can use some the maintenance dosage to keep the result. That's how it's the process. So this is will be the real photo case and see how is hair gradually getting thinner. So the hair in the miniaturization process, which is gradually getting thinner, shorter, and smaller. So at the same time, the frontal hairline and temple area will be gradually getting thinner as well. I think will be most patients will be have this experience.
And here at Australian Hair Scalp Clinics, we use a very unique approach to hair regrowth, which is drug-free and injection-free. So a lot of people are very health conscious today, and they're very worried about side effects, particularly females. So this is a great treatment option for those cases. And the question will be when people have got when particularly women have got issues with their hair, they'll be worried about whether to go the pharmaceutical direction or should they consider something more natural and herbal, which is what we do here at OzHair. So a very common issue for people is they've got blood pressure problems and they can't use the pharmaceutical hair loss treatments.
Yeah, in this condition, you will be could be more think about this drug-free, injection-free treatment, and this also could be a relaxing in-clinic treatment.
Yeah, other people are concerned about the negative impact of the pharmaceutical hair medications on sex drive.
Yeah, so in that case, whatever any side effect could be happen, you could be consider our drug-free, injection-free treatment. Yeah.
Depression could be another issue associated with using common medications today for hair loss.
Yeah, so because all these issues and more female, they're looking for this natural plant treatment. So this can be a home use and it can be an in-clinic relax treatment. So this is drug-free and injection-free treatment.
And here at OzHair, we've got three major treatment options that we use. The first one is a daily home use treatment program. We've also got an in-clinic monthly treatment program. And the third one is a combination of the home use plus in-clinic treatment.
Right. With home use treatment, client can use the hair tonic by themselves at home, which is easy and convenient to use. For the in-clinic treatment, this is a monthly treatment, which is we use high concentrated formula. People, if they have a trouble to use at home, they would like to do they're okay to travel in our clinic, they can enjoy. This is a relaxed treatment. And third will be combination treatment. Yeah, they can use both. Yeah, so with the in-clinic treatment, this is quite a relaxing treatment, including the hair wash and scalp therapy. You'll be feel so relaxed. So a lot of people have a nap in the clinic. This is a great time for yourself to recovery.
Yes, and with our in-clinic treatment, a very important first point is that the The liquid solution itself is highly concentrated, which is why people only need a monthly visit. So you don't need to do that every day or every week. So yeah, that once per month treatment is very convenient. As Angela mentioned before, it's very relaxing. A lot of people like to come in and just wind down and relax, which also helps your body and will help your hair as well. And this is a treatment that's completed at our clinic, so no need to use anything at home with that.
Right. Some other benefit for the in-clinic treatment, we're going to target on the effective area, the thinning area, which is have a most quicker and faster result. The second thing is we can combine with any other treatment. If currently you use any other treatment, but you worry about result not good, you can come to here and combine with our in-clinic treatment to help you achieve more hair result. This is quite convenient. The other thing here, which is a really good point, because this is we use high concentrated formula, which is you can increase dosage to double, triple, or quadruple still once per month, but it's gonna help you to achieve fast and more hair result. The last point, which is at the same time, it's very common. The patient could have a scalp issue, which is this treatment is going to help deep clean and detoxify the scalp as well. So make the hair and scalp healthier. This is a really good point. So next one will be see some clinic results.
Yeah, so in this first case, this lady's come to us with quite a bit of hair thinning on the top, front, even going back towards the back crown area. It's quite thin there, as you can see. And then she was recommended an 8-month in-clinic triple dose treatment, which is one of our stronger in-clinic treatments, because she's quite she's middle stage. Plus middle to advanced stage, and look at the result here on the right side. All those thinning areas are closing up. The hair's a lot thicker and fuller, a lot more volume than you can see from the before photo. So a pretty good result in this case.
Yeah, this is a significant improvement. The patient is so happy with this result. So still same person on the side, and we can see hair getting much more fuller, and the other side as well. Whatever from any angles is the hair is all getting more achieve that more hair result.
And this case here,
yeah, same person. Yeah, same person is on the crown area. Yeah, it's still a lot of improvement. Yeah, so this lady, yeah, is a little bit aged and with this advanced stage. So after 8 months double dosage in the clinic treatment and also plus some home use treatment, and this how it's result. So which is from a big thing on the top, and we'll see the gap getting narrower, which is the hair more toward to the middle. Yeah, this is the only 8 months result. Same person, and we have a thinning on the frontal, which is after treatment, we'll see much thicker. Yeah, from this angle, whenever she look at the mirror or she meets the other person, she will feel more confident, more happy. Crown area, still a lot of improvement from this part, and we can see our almost cover. Temple area, you will see how much more hair healthy grows. Yeah, this is a different client.
And this client here, she came to us with an issue on the a little bit at the front and also on the top part of her scalp, just sort of here and here, as you can see, quite thin areas there. And she took our 8-month double dose in clinic treatment, and she was able to achieve, so I'll just go back a step. She was able to achieve the result there. You can see on the right hand side photo. So a lot of that area where you could see scalp before, now you can't see it. Very little scalp is showing on the second photo, which is a really good result. The hair's grown again, and it's covered a lot of that thinning area.
Yeah, a lot thicker same person in the frontal area.
Yep, this is a photo, yeah, focusing more on the front, and as you can see, all of those thin areas there where we're just showing now, look at the difference here. It's the area is virtually all filled up. So, quite a good result for a middle stage client, middle stage hair thinning client.
Yeah, she's so happy with that. Yeah, so next one, this is a little bit younger. This lady a little bit younger. So this is the case. The level of hair loss is slightly better and than the other case I just showed. This one receding hairline sitting on the top, and as double dosage in the first 8 months, getting much thicker from hairline, top of scalp, and as ongoing single dose and getting more fuller. And she said she never had this full hair in her life, which is a really successful case, and so happy. Same person on top of a wheel, which is make the thinning area getting much narrower, and then hair looks much healthier and thicker. So this is a side photo, same person, and she bring her full hairline as well.
Yes, and this woman here, she came in with her main complaint was that sort of frontal area there, particularly the frontal hairline, a bit of thinning there, as you can see. Not the worst case we've seen, but certainly some thinning is you can see that on the first photo, on that frontal hairline. And then on the after photo, after 8 months of using a single dose treatment, plus she used also 2 bottles of our home use tonic per month, was able to deliver this result that you see on the right-hand side photo, which is pretty good. Most of those thin areas have covered up now. So I remember this case. She was actually really happy with this result.
Right. So with our natural plant-based treatment, not change your body, but will be make your hair and your scalp healthier. So with this photo is showing from very thin and soft hair, fluffy hair, and become a strong and healthy hair after treatment. This is what we're looking for. If this is what you're looking for, please contact us as early as possible.
Yes, and yeah, this case here on the left, this woman came with frontal hairline thinness, and also a little bit going towards the top. And as you can see on the other photo here, she used a 8-month double dosage treatment and able to achieve a really nice recovery there. That's virtually full recovery, Angela. Pretty close to full recovery.
Correct.
Just a few little spots.
Yeah, I think
good.
this is we can call it full recovery because we won't be seeing much scalp after treatment. Yeah, this lady actually in the menopause time, which is a little bit aged and with middle to advanced stage with the hair loss in only 8 months to achieve full recovery. This is an amazing result. She's so happy with this. Okay, so the next one, yeah, receding hairline. This is actually not easy to achieve some good result because we can see got hairline, further hairline in here. We've got a lot of receding in this part. Not easy. This is we'll see called middle stage at least. So this one use the triple dose for the 8 months and achieve almost a full recovery. Yeah, this is quite great. Next one is the actually early stage. So we put early stage here is just to tell, right, with the early stage, you can use single dose, which is to achieve full recovery result, even in short term. So early treatment is the key. So if you are worried about your hair thin, you can, best way is to contact us as early as possible. Because the early stage, you could be achieve full recovery, but to middle to late stage, you could be achieve improvement. That's how different. Yeah.
And here, this is just some information about our home use treatments, which is you apply the tonic daily, either between 10 and 5 ml per day, depending on the dosage recommended. And you've also got the hair health herbal tablet. It's an oral supplement that we use as well. So these cases we're going to show now, they all used our home use treatment program, either the tonics and tablets, as I just mentioned. So this case here, this woman used our treatment for 2 years, home use treatment. And as you can see, the top area is a lot of scalp showing here at the top, a little bit through there too. And after the 2 years of using the treatment, all the areas closed up. The part in the middle is very, very narrow now. So we've basically been able to regrow all that hair on that middle top part that she was suffering from hair loss before. We've basically regrown all that. So an amazing result.
Yeah, right. You might be thought in these photos might be not same person, but in next photo, you know they are actually same person. The next one will show you on the temple area. So from her hairline, temple area, so still same person, but from temple area side photo. And we'll say how much more hair get recovery, regrow, new hair, and how is density of hair and how healthy with the hair. It's so good. Yes, next couple photo we're just showing if you are very, very late stage, if you only worry about my hair shaft getting changed and getting soft, actually this is a sign. So which could be starting very early. In that case, you can use any of the treatments from here to make your hair healthier, thicker, and stronger. So here's the result for these ladies, and also this is for the other ladies as well. All right, so we'll show you a lot of photo. The conclusion is if you are early stage, you have high chance to achieve full recovery. So come here as early as a kid. And if you are middle to advanced stage, you still don't worry about that. We still can help you achieve significant improvement to help you bring your confidence back. And then see how is our cleansing.
Restore your confidence with Australian Hair and Scalp Clinics. Through herbal follicular activation, or HFA, we provide a safe, natural, and non-invasive solution for pattern hair loss and patchy hair loss. Did you know our monthly in-clinic treatments can be used to strengthen the effect of your current home use program? Why not boost your current in-clinic treatment with our home use products? Our experienced staff can help you find the right treatment combination to improve your results. Like to see what our clients have to say?
Year and was assessed as being suitable for some treatment, which I've had on a monthly basis over the last 12 months, and it's made a significant improvement in my hair condition.
My hair loss just around the front area. It's maximum retracement, all that is gone now, and I'm really, really happy with the end result.
I joined the program again in 2011, and I've been doing it for the last 3 years, and you can see that this makes some good results.
I definitely, after 2 months, had seen a big change of my hair growth.
3 to 4 months, I've gained about 80 to 90% of my hair back. And I recommend anybody who is suffering from alopecia to come down to the Australian Hair Clinic to have it.
All right. Yeah.
Thanks everybody for attending our webinar today. We hope you enjoyed it, and and we also hope you're very impressed with all those cases of female middle stage hair loss. Not always an easy condition to treat with other products on the market. So we've had a lot of success over the years with these type of cases. So if you've got a similar problem, please contact us. All of our contact details are on the screen now. We've got 3 offices in Australia. So give us a call and book your initial consultation, and we'll let you know what we can do for you.
Right. So we understand the pain for female who are looking for the treatment. We're understanding after you get your hair back, and how happy you are and how confident it looks different. And yes, we understanding all of this. And if you suffer from this, and please contact us as early as possible. We'll try our best to help you. All right. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.